Today we're taking a close look at this Deconovo tablecloth. I wanted a tablecloth that would be suitable for all seasons, all events. It's very neutral, so I went with this grey. But they do a ton of colours. They do like a nice burgundy. I think they do a really nice sage green. But I decided to go with the grey because my thinking was I could dress it up for spring with sort of sages, creams, peaches colours, and then also for summer with more bright colours. I think it looked really nice with like bright yellow and things like that. And then also into autumn with your autumnals, and then obviously into winter with your blues and things like that. I just went with this. I've not actually opened it yet, and my concerns are quality, how it feels, my impressions about how water resistant it's going to be, splash resistant and stain resistant. So let's take a look. So this is going to need an iron, which is absolutely fine. The stitching looks really good quality. I don't think that's going to be unraveling anytime soon. And it's stitched over like that with the corners. It feels like it's going to be resistant to stains and like splashes. So if you drop water on it, it'll probably pearlesce on the top, give you a few minutes to wipe it clean. They do a ton of different sizes as well, so use the guide as well to make sure you get the right size for your table. I think mine might be a bit big because I didn't check the sizes, but that's okay because I can always fold it over. There is the overall quality. I like the fact it's not too shiny. It's not super matte, but it's not too shiny, so it's going to look really nice. Once I've ironed it, it's going to look really lovely. I'm going to put table setting on it, maybe put a runner on it as well. And there are the wash instructions there. It says 30 degrees, machine wash, but don't tumble dry, and you can iron it. Overall, I think this is going to wash lovely. I think it's going to be good for resisting stains. Going to be a really good for all events kind of tablecloth. So I'm really glad. So yes, I do recommend it.